Happy St. Patrick's Day. We're gonna do some fizzy paint. So in the one container is a little bit of baking soda and paint. And then in this one is some vinegar. I just use like whatever vinegar you have, regular white, red cider. And you're going to paint and then it's gonna start to fizz. So Phoenix, can you show us how to do that? He's not feeling so great today, so he's got a bit of a fever. So he's, but he still wants to do stuff, so he's not on the bed couch like Ayla is today. But... And watch this. Ooh, isn't that so cool? It's fizzing. So you need to, yeah, and then you keep going back and forth. You do the green with a little bit of the vinegar, and you paint the whole clover. So neat, eh? You want to try again? Keep the brushes separate, yeah. All done, Ariel. Paint it. Put lots of paint on. The more paint you put, the more fizzy it's going to get. So maybe you want to scoop up some more paint. Scoop up a lot. Yep. Put it in that one spot. I'll show you one more time. All right. And then you get the vinegar out and the other container. Let's see up close what happens. Ready? And let's see. Oh, it's fizzing up. Very cool. Have fun. Fizzy paint.